One of the first projects I wanted to do with the 3D printer was make a model of the van. So there's not really a model of this van out there, and I haven't found any Matchbox cars, but one day I did find this one little model of a four-wheel drive. It was actually a Shark, and it was like $4 for this really cool little four-wheel drive chassis, and I could tell the Shark was just going to pop right off. So I found a model for the van and had some trouble with just one part. The rest of it printed out, knock on wood, printed out fairly well. Once I had all the pieces necessary, I glued them together, spray painted it white, added a couple of other little features to it, and clipped the body onto that chassis. And didn't quite work out perfectly, but it works. And pretty good version of the van, and it's pretty fun to drive around. It's a little fast on like tile floors or just a concrete floor, but out in the dirt where there's some resistance, it actually drives pretty fun. And driving around on concrete, it's a little more quick, a little more difficult to steer, but it's just a lot of fun when I can't drive the big van around to have this little tiny van to drive. So of course figured, let's drive it around in front of the dog, see what she says. She's never seen a little remote control car before, so this might be her first time seeing a remote control car, which is probably a little freaked out because she can't figure out how to jump into it, because that's her van. So yeah, this is one thing that you can use a 3D printer for. The pieces of the van that we printed, the front, the back, and then those middle sections, each took a few hours to print. So this isn't something that you just print out in an afternoon, but in a series of prints after a few sessions, you do end up with all the parts you need. You can use crazy glue or super glue to stick them together. I used a Gorilla Glue gel, and then painted them and put them on the inexpensive little remote control car chassis. Imagine you could do the same with Matchbox or other types of toys. If you got ideas, let us know. Let us know what you think of the project. Till next time, thanks for watching.
Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals at gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.